Hi guys, so today I'll be making slime, and today
I'm making slime too. Hi! I'm making slime already, and I'm already getting messy.
she's finishing up the batch that we were testing out.
Hi!
We'll be making some fluffy slime.
Yes, I'm already making fluffy slime, okay?
I'm going to be making greenish bluish
So
slime,
you're putting blue and green in
and it will be fluffy. So
yeah, mine is already fluffy. Oh, it feels good.
So if you wanted to do the same color as me, add 5 drops of each color,
Ow. Are you okay?
and then just mix it. I'll let you know when I'm done with that. Once you've mixed up to get your color,
sweaty hair.
then you're going to add
Hey,
shaving
guys,
cream.
what is mine?
So this is hers so far.
Oh,
Time for the magic to begin.
that looks so cool. Whoa. It's on toys. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. I wish that was mine. Mine looks like fluffy sky. Look at this. Looks
Hers
like,
is baby blue.
hey, this looks like sky.
The sky?
Yeah, it looks like sky. That looks really like. And this? Are you looking at me?
I'm your cousin.
Okay, see my cousin.
I'm not your niece.
Look, you my meat. Hey, look at this! I can pick up the ball.
Once you finish mixing
Alexa.
your shaving cream and your glue together, then you're going to take a little bit of liquid starch and add it as your activator.
Can I put it in?
No, I'm going to do it.
Okay, because my hands are.
Okay.
Look at my slime. It's all done.
Yeah, so hers is done, so this is kind of what it'll turn out like.
Yeah. I make poo 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 doo.
Then once you've added your styrofoam and it's kind of like this texture, you gotta mix it to get to its full slimy size.
I'm trying to get my slime out. If it's very. It is very hard to get out. Just wiggle it and then it'll come out. My slime turned out kind of weird.
It's cool.
No, look.
Found your baby.
No, look.
I found your
You're supposed to mix that.
Yeah.
My slime is sticky.
And then it comes to this. If it's sticky, then we'll add some styrofoam.
Can I add some in mine?
I'll add it because you don't know how much to add.
Yeah, I just want.
No.
No baby.
You don't know how to add it, more importantly. Okay, pour a tiny bit in.
Oh baby.
That's it. That has way too much. Now mix it
Are you
in.
Mimi's baby?
With my hands. Yeah, mine is turning like out very good. This is like a sky, right? I'm sorry that I said poo 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 doo, but I'm sorry. Ooh, this side is very turning slimy. It has to be water.
Hey Molly, look at mine.
Hey, that's beautiful.
That's not a word, but okay. Just mind that she's 5 years old, so she may not use correct grammar.
Hey! Excuse me, young lady.
Oh, you got some stuff though.
Ha ha. I'm messing up her video.
Yeah, you are. But don't worry, I'm totally gonna cut these all out.
What?
The parts of you saying poo-poo video and stuff like that. And this part,
How can you do it?
editing.
How do we edit it?
Once the video's done.
I don't even know what she's saying. She's a weirdo.
No, I just know technology better than you.
Excuse me, young lady.
This turned
I
out.
can talk sassy to my mom and dad.
Yeah, she can. Okay, so now I've got this, and I kind of want some.
My mom and dad are not in jail, but someday I think they will.
Oh, I'm gonna tell your mommy you said that.
No! Please don't. Can I put...
I'm adding more shaving cream. No, because that makes it stickier.
No. Why you want sticky slime?
Because mine's not sticky right now. It makes it a little stickier.
Why you
Mine's
want,
not sticky right now.
Why you want sticky?
I don't. It's not sticky right now, though. So
Why you want it stickier?
I don't.
Is it sticky right now?
No.
Then why are you making it sticky?
Not.
You have little slime. I have bigger slime. Look how big this is.
That's just because yours fell apart. And mine's so smooth.
How did mine fall apart?
I can make mine bigger.
Madison,
Yes.
can you mix my slime with please? Why?
I can.
Please.
Yes.
Why do treats in here? Why do treats in here?
I don't know.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
What are you causing?
This feels amazing.
Madison,
Yes.
if your slime is done,
Yes, look at it.
oh, that's so slimy. Why you didn't? I don't know how to do this.
Okay.
I don't know how to. Look at her slime. It like.
I had to fix hers.
Yeah, look. It's like fluffy like a cloud. Oh, wait,
It feels like a cloud.
sorry. Look. Hers is like so good. Hers is better than mine. She's gonna make mine fluffy. Yeah.
I'm making hers better.
No, she's
I'm making it great again.
like this. Oh, I'm gonna make it like hers. Because I love hers and hers. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh my goodness, Molly.
I'm
You're just a bull in a china shop.
I didn't mean that. I'm so sorry. Now she didn't cut those parts off. I'm gonna drop slime on my head.
I can turn yours into mine.
Oh yeah, I want you to.
I can change the color.
Ooh, I want you to change my color. Can mine be like yours?
Exactly like.
Yeah, change it like mine. Hey, that's blue.
Yep, I know.
I need green.
I need both.
No, baby. I'm so sorry.
You pause it.
Pause it. Sorry. But look at my slime. Look against hers.
I made her slime great again.
Look.
This hers? Hers has a coolish tint. Mine's softer, but still amazing.
Hey.
Hey.
Here, there are stuff. There are stuff peppers down there. I put.
Hi guys. Now she paused this video.
So I will be able to make it put it online.
You have to go over.
Yeah, put it on mine.
Pause it.
Because she didn't want to. Pause it. Why?
Okay, so if you didn't know how to clean like your bowls, basically you take your activator, put it in, and make the extras into slime so you can like kind of peel it off.
Yeah. Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to make an A with slime that we just made today.
Oh, you know what? I forgot I brought
No,
this
it made slime today.
sparkling grape juice.
I want some.
I want some.
Molly, pause the video for now.
Okay, I'm gonna
Yeah,
press
that
it.
was sparkling grape juice.
Wait, I just I want that. Oh. So I'm gonna tell you how to make.
What? Claire.
I did not start. Wait.
And we're gonna film the outro.
What does that mean?
I'm gonna end it. So, I hope you guys enjoyed our video. I hope the slime works out as well as it did for us, as it did for us. Because look at this amazingness. After this, I will film a satisfying video. So, for now, goodbye. Have a good day, and
Have a good night, you mean?
don't forget to subscribe.
It's nighttime.
Ring that notification bell so that every time I
And
make
guess what? Guess what?
Stop it.
I need to tell them.
So that way every time I make a video, it'll notify you.
And subscribe.
I already said that. And don't forget to thumbs up.
Like and subscribe.
if we can get this video to
I need to tell
10 likes, then I'll allow you guys to choose what I'll do for my next video. Bye.
Bye. Have a good night.